Hi friends, hope all of you are doing great. Today again I came up with a very unique video. So this time I am going to talk about how to replace the battery of your car key. So as you can see that this is Suzuki car key, and normally this type of car key are available for cars like CIAZ, BREZZA, and DZIRE, okay, and BALENO also most probably. So this is a similar car key. So when one buy top end, mid end, and top end model, so they get a similar car key which has got lock, unlock, and boot opener button. So these batteries normally don't deplete very fast, but in certain cases I have seen that these batteries, the stock battery that comes with this kind of remote are gets depleted very quickly. So in our video today we are going to replace the stock battery which is there inside this remote, and we will replace it with a Duracell battery, and we will talk about that when we will do the actual exchange. Okay, so let's do the battery replacement. So as you can see, I have bought a Duracell CR2032 battery. So this type of batteries are popularly known as coin batteries. And today we will be, what we will do first is that we will take out the battery from this remote, and we'll put this new battery. Okay, so let's do it. To take out the battery, you need to press this switch upwards and then just pull it out, so the car key will come out. Okay, so the car key is hidden inside this slot. Okay, you can again push it back like this, and to take it out you just need to do like this. Okay, the car key will be out. Next thing is that you need to open this case because the battery is housed inside this case. So let's open it. So you need a screwdriver like this, a small screwdriver, and then you have this, you can see this slot out here. So what you need to do is to just twist the screwdriver a bit by putting it into this notch, and the car key will open. Okay, so now you can see that inside the remote, you see that I think this is kind of some transformer or some chipsets are there, and the battery is actually housed here. And the stock battery is also not bad. It's a Maxwell battery, again CR2032 3-volt battery, and it shows that it is made in Japan. And let us take it out. So I will just you know take it out like this. Okay, okay, so I have now taken out the Duracell battery, and it says that it is made in China. It's also a 3-volt battery, again on the same CR2032 marked, and it says Chota Power. So looks like it has been although it says made in China, but maybe it has been manufactured in India, I don't know. So this is how the new battery looks, and this is how the old Maxwell battery made in Japan looks. So this is the stock battery, and with this one I am going to replace it. So let's do the replacement. So it's very easy. You see that these slots are there, and from here you have to actually have to push it downwards, and it should fit. Yeah, it should fit easily. Okay, so you can see that the battery now has been housed properly within its slot. Now you need to cover it. So while you are covering it, make sure that one end is properly fixed, and then put pressure with your hand on the other side, so that, yeah, you will hear this noise, and that makes sure that the remote has been properly locked. All you need to now do is to put back this key. Okay, you need to just put back this key, and this is operating. So how do you know that this is working? So if you press any button, you will see that you see that light is blinking. So it indicates that the battery is working. So I'm not close to the car, so I will not be able to demonstrate that, but it will work. Hope this short video has helped you, and stay tuned for similar kind of informative videos in the days to come. Please do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe. I will repeat myself, this your subscription gives me a lot of motivation to work harder. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks.